People always ask, why organic gardening versus conventional? Human beings have made it this far because of farming and gardening organically for centuries. Harmful chemicals like pesticides have only been invented in relatively recent years. Using these chemicals, it creates a mindset that we have to battle things that are in our gardens. When you farm and garden organically, you're promoting a balanced ecosystem in the soil and around you that not only benefit your plants, but also you, your family, your pets, and the entire environment. There are multiple benefits to gardening organically. First things first is just a healthy soil. An organic, healthy soil includes microorganisms that work together that grow healthy, beautiful plants. Another benefit to organic gardening is the health of you, your family, and even your pets. When you consume conventionally grown food, it has harmful chemicals that strip your microbiome where your body's not able to ingest all of the proper macro and micronutrients that it needs. When you consume organically grown food, your body isn't ingesting these chemicals, and so you're able to have optimum health. The last benefit I'm going to cover to organic gardening is the health of the environment. As we are very connected with one another through sharing food, we're connected with the pollinators that help grow our food, animals that come in and out of our gardens, and even the air around us. It's important that we don't contaminate this natural ecosystem with harmful chemicals. As you garden organically, these things that are naturally connected, they thrive because you're not introducing any harmful conventional pesticides.